La Banque Postale LCL Visa Premier Card app. The pros, the cons. Managing your LCL Visa Premier Card just got digital, but does the app truly simplify banking? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming mobile apps only show balances. With the LCL app, you can track transactions in real time, view statements, set up automatic payments, and manage multiple accounts securely. Notifications keep you updated on spending and alerts for suspicious activity. The app also provides budgeting tools and spending analytics. You can categorize expenses, monitor recurring payments, and see trends over time. This is especially useful for keeping your finances under control when managing high-limit cards or planning international travel. Security is strong, featuring biometric login, two-factor authentication, and encryption, so your card details stay safe. Some users also appreciate access to exclusive offers and card benefits, which can include travel insurance and purchase protection. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional slow updates or glitches during heavy usage periods. Navigating between features may feel complex for new users, and detailed reporting or exporting statements often still requires a desktop portal. In conclusion, the LCL Visa Premier app is ideal for anyone looking to manage spending, payments, and card benefits on the go. The surprising truth is that while it excels at convenience and security, advanced tasks like exporting data or handling complex transactions are easier on a desktop. For frequent travelers or high-volume cardholders, this app provides a practical, secure, and flexible way to stay on top of your finances anytime.